the concept of fractions. Now you are thinking कि what is fraction? Fractions क्या होते हैं? So fractions are representing the number of a whole or the part of a whole thing, right? अगर आपके पास कोई एक चीज है, for example I can show you here, an apple is there, so you can see that apple is full. पूरा apple आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. But if you will tell to your parents to cut that apple, अगर आप बोलोगे तो first what they will do? They will cut that apple into two equal parts. उसको क्या करेंगे? बीच में से काटेंगे, that means उसके दो हाफ हो जाए. तो here you can see from the one apple we have to cut them in equal parts. So आपको यहाँ पे दो different parts उसके दिख रहे होंगे and both of them are equal only, right? So that is called the fraction. जब भी कोई चीज को आप equal parts में divide करते हो, at that time that is known as the fraction. जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे एप्पल का एग्जांपल देखा. Now I will show you. If I will give you one square and I will tell कि आपको यहाँ से इस स्क्वायर को दो हिस्सों में बांटना है, that means कि you have to cut this square into half. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि एप्पल के दो टुकड़े हुए तो each part will known as the half part. क्या बोलेंगे उसको? कि उसका आधा पार्ट है वो, right? So here the square is given to you. Square को भी आपको दो different parts में काट करना है. So how you will do? So I will show you in the different squares. So first if the square is given to me like this, I have to cut them in between. मैं इसको यहाँ पे center में से कट कर रही हूँ. Then you can see both the part are equal. तो अब उसको लिखेंगे कैसे? 1/2. क्या लिखेंगे? 1/2. यानी 1 के नीचे हमने लिखा 2. That is known as the half part. क्या बना वो? हाफ. मतलब कि पूरा एक बॉक्स है, उसमें से हमने उसके कितने पार्ट किए? 2 parts. After that I will show you one more square. From that I can cut in this way. मैं उसको ऐसे भी कट कर सकती हूँ. So each part is known as the half part. ये दोनों पार्ट हाफ हुए, इसमें भी सेम. दोनों पार्ट इक्वल है और दोनों ही हाफ है. So again the third one you can see I can cut in this direction also. So this both part is also half. इस डायरेक्शन से कट करिए, इस डायरेक्शन कट करिए, both will remain half only. Now here I have done in this way, so I can do in the different way, that will be like this. ऐसे भी आप उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हो. So here you can see मैंने एक स्क्वायर को कितने अलग-अलग तरीकों से डिवाइड किया, that means कि कितने अलग-अलग तरीकों से मैंने उसको हाफ बनाया. First I have done the standing line over here, then slanting line from corner to corner. Same in this, but the directions are changed. And in this I have done the slipping line. So here you can see we have learned about the 1/2. मतलब कि कोई भी एक चीज का हाफ पार्ट, आधा हिस्सा कैसे बनता है, that we had learned. Okay? So we will see on depend on this one exercise. So here what you have to do? आपको क्या करना रहेगा? Color in 1/2. 1/2 मतलब हाफ पार्ट में of each shape. अब हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि हमें जो भी शेप दिया है उसके हाफ पार्ट को हमें कलर करना है. So in the first example a rectangle is given to you in this way and one small line, you can see that dotted line is given to you, that means that there are two equal parts. So from that you have to color one part. You can color it using your color. Like this you have to shade this part. So here you can see how I have colored this half, that means 1/2, that half part of this rectangle. You can see the difference in between this. 1/2 is black and 1/2 is colored over here. The another shape is of circle. So in this the dotted line is given to you like this. So what you have to do, same you have to do in this. You have to color this with the help of blue color. You can color any color if you want to color. You can use any color for this. So now you can see the difference in between this. Third shape is given to you of triangle. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको तीसरा शेप दिया, that is triangle. So you can color it the half part. So that will be easy to show. If you don't want to use the colors, you can use your pencil to shade this part. Okay. So here you can see how I have colored the one half part of each shape. The same thing you have to do in your textbook. So now next we will start. So next our topic is 1/3. After completing this one half, we will move to 1/3. This topic is given you. For this I will show you one activity. You have to take a paper and you have to fold that paper into 3. आपको उसको ऐसे कुछ fold करना है. When you will divide this paper into 3 pieces, you will able to see 3 parts. Here you can see one part, the second part, and this is the third part. So यहाँ पर आपको बता रही हूँ. This is the piece of paper that you have to cut into 3 parts, and each of part is known as 1/3. What it will be known? वो कैसे जाना जाएगा? 1/3. यानी कि from 3 of that part you have to color only 1 part. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है 1/3. So these are the number of parts. Number of parts. क्या आपके total parts कितने हैं? So here you can see 1, 2 and 3. That one 3 is written over here. And as I told you in the 1/2, कि this number is that you will shade. तो आप जिससे shade करोगे that part, that means कि this part you have taken. So number of taken part, जो part आपने वहां से लिया है. For example, I will show you one circle over here. I will cut that circle into 3 equal parts. Now you can see 1, 2 and 3 equal parts are there. So in this 3 part, I want to just color this only. मुझे इसको color करना है, तो I will shade using my chalk, and you can shade this part using your pencils, right? So here you can see how I have colored this part. So what I can recognize it, कि from the 3 of that part, that means the total parts are 3, and from them 3 I have colored only 1. So this part is known as 1/3. Okay? After completion of the 1/3 topic, we will start our next topic, that is 1/4. What is that? 1/4, or we can say it as a quarter. Quarter part, that means 1/4. I will write in that numbers also. So 1/4 part, that is also known as the quarter part, right? So if suppose if I will show you one pizza over here, that shape is round like a ball, right? So what you have to do, if I want to give that pizza into 4 children, right? So what I will do, I will cut this pizza into 4 equal parts like this. आप pictures में भी देख सकते हैं कि how I have cut the pizza into 4 equal parts. If I will not cut that pizza into equal parts, you children will fight with each other, right? So for that I have to cut them in equal part. So each part will be of 1/4. क्या आएगा हर पार्ट का? हर एक पार्ट 1/4 की तरह जाना जाएगा. Why 1/4? तो whenever you will take one piece, for example, I have taken this piece, right? मैंने ये वाला पीस ले लिया खाने के लिए. This means that I have taken this part. So what I will say, I have eaten 1/4 part of pizza because 4 pieces थे, but I have eaten only 1. So I can write here number of equal part. Number of equal parts. Total parts कितने थे? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And from that I have taken 1. So number of taken part, right? So इसमें से मैंने जितने लिए वो नंबर ऊपर आएगा. Whatever part you have taken, that you have to write at the upside, and the total part, that means the total equal parts, you have to write at the downside of that number. So now I will show you one more exercise. In that you have to search how many parts you have taken and how many equal parts are that. So that means, in short, you have to write the fraction as we are writing like this: 1/4, 1/3 and 1/2. 1/2, that is known as half. This is 1/3 and 1/4, or as well quarter, right? So these all are known as the fraction. We can call them fraction. That is the concept of our chapter. Okay. So here I have prepared one exercise for you. In that you have to write the fractions for shaded parts. अब यहाँ पे आपको हर एक में एक पार्ट शेडेड किया हुआ दिख रहा होगा. So for that part you have to write the fraction over here. So first I will start from here. Here you can see one square is given to you, and in that I have done the 4 equal parts. Here you can see how many parts are there? 4 equal parts. So you can write 4 over here, and the one part is shaded. So 1 at the upside of number 4. So this fraction will be 1/4. क्या कहलाएगा ये? 1/4. After that you can see 3 part of a circle is given to you. So यहाँ पे total parts आएंगे 3, and from the 3 part, how many parts are shaded? Only 1 part. So you have to write 1 at the top of this number. After completing the second, we will move to the third. 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles you can see in one triangle. ये जो है ये big triangle है, right? So in that I have prepared 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle. तो चारों के चारों equal triangle है. That means के 4 are equal parts, and from equal 4 parts I have shaded 1 part. That means that this will be 1/4. 1, 2 and 3 parts are given. That means the equal 3 parts are there. So you have to write number 3 as 3 equal parts are there, and from that I have colored only 1. So 1/3 will be the fraction of this picture, and the last one is 2 parts are there. So you have to write 2 and 1 at this number, right? So this is how you have to find the fraction of shaded pictures, the shaded parts, shaded shapes you can see. Okay, so I hope आपको ये वाला जो concept था वो clear हो गया होगा. And हम इसका एक opposite भी work कर सकते हैं. What is that? So for that you have to see one more exercise. Okay, so that opposite one exercise is given to you right now. Shade to show the fraction. Now in the previous exercise what you have to do? The shaded part is given to you, and from that you have to write the fraction. But in this, fraction is given to you, and on depend of that fraction you have to shade the shape. अब यहाँ पे जो भी आपको shape दिया गया है उसको आपको shade करना है on the base of fraction. So यहाँ पे 1/2 दिया, that means you can see 2 parts are there. From that what you have to color? Only 1 part. So you can color this, any one of this. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैम ने ये वाला कलर किया तो we have to color this one only. You can color that upside one part also. So this is how you have to color. You can use your colors as well, and you can use your pencil. Here 1/4 is given, so 4 equal parts are there. from that part I have to shade only one part. Done. Now the next is 1/3. 3 equal triangles are there. So for that I have to color any one of this triangle that you can see here. Okay. Now the last one is 1/4. That means any of this I have to color 1. So have you seen that how I have shaded the part using this fraction? Same thing you have to do in your notebook, and yes, you can make the fractions or as well shapes by yourself only. So now here our chapter number 6, that is the concept of fraction, is clear to you and completed also. So thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.